Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aprian and I am present a communication standard. Standard communication is a telecommunication network designed to serve a wide range of users using a variety of devices from different vendors. Communication standard is a protocol. A protocol is a rule or standard that regulates or allows the connection, communication, and transfer of data between two or more computer points. B. Organizational standard. 1. The Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF) is a world body that is the key behind the development of the Internet that can take a democratic, open standard, practical way to adopt the best available field. More importantly, the IETF is growing faster and is well known in communication data and internet. It makes sense because the IETF is big on the internet and the IP protocol. 2. The Internet Telecommunication Union (ITU) is a gathering place for telecommunication regulator and telecommunication operator including Telkomsel and Indosat, who have traditionally chosen the official and top-down formal channel. Three. International Standard Organization (ICO) is a multinational body that was founded in 109,047, called the International Standard Organization as the body that products aspect standard with the OSI model. OSI is an open system interconnection, which is a set of protocols that allow the connection of two different systems originating from different underlying architecture. 4. The American National Standard Institute (INCI) is a group that defines in United States standards for the information processing industry. ANSI participates in defining network protocol standard and represents the United States in relation to other international standard setting bodies such as ISO. ANSI is a voluntary organization made up of members from the business, government, and other sectors that coordinate activities related to standard and strengthen the United States position in national standard organization. ANSI helps in the of communication and networking. ANSI is a member of IEC and ISO. Five. The Electronic Industries Association (AIA) is the United States National Electronic Company Organization and a member of the ANSI Trade Association. The TR-13 Committee is responsible for the development and maintenance of industry standards for interface between data processing and data communication equipment. These include the SATA layer interface, the interface between the user machine and the modem, the signal converter, the quality of interface, and the signal speed. This converter is responsible for the development of the RST current industry standard. It is similar to the CCITT standard V214 interface. The TR-13 commit is presented in the ANSI Executive Subcommittee on Data Transmission. SIC, the Federal Communication Commission FCC, is a government organization established by the Federal Communication Act in 109,013 in America. This organization has the right to regulate telecommunication, including radio, video, telephone, and satellite communication. C. OSI Open System Interconnection. OSI Open System Interconnection is a network architectural model developed by ISO International Organization for Standardization in Europa in 109,077. This model is also known as the OSI 7-layer model. OSI 7-layer model because there are 7 layers in the OSI model. Each layer is effectively responsible for the data communication processor. For example, one layer is responsible for establishing connection between devices, while the other layer is responsible for correcting error during the data transfer process. Purpose of the OSI model. The main purpose of using the OSI model is to help network designer understand the function of each layer associated with the data communication flow, including the type of network protocol and transmission method. D. Internet standard. In computer networking engineering, an internet standard is a normative specification of technology or methodology applicable to the internet. Internet standards were created and published by the Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF). There are 4 bodies that are responsible for regulating, controlling, and standardizing the protocols on the Internet, namely the Internet Society, ISO, Internet Architecture Board (IAB), Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF), and Internet Research Task Force (IRTF). 1. Internet Society is a personal body that supports, facilitates, and promotes Internet as a global communication infrastructure. This agency also deal with the social and political aspect of the Internet network. 2. The Internet Architecture Board (IAB) is the coordinating and technical advisory body for the Internet Society (ISOC). This body acts as the final technical and editorial reviewer of all Internet standards. This agency has the authority to publish Internet standard document known as Request for Comment (RFC). Another task of this body is to manage number and constant use in Internet protocols such as part number, hardware type, ARP address resolution protocol, etc. This task is legacy to own institution called INA Internet Access Net Number Authority. 3. The Internet Engineering Task Force is a body oriented toward establishing Internet standard. The agency is divided into networking like 4. The Internet Research Task Force is oriented toward long-term research. Thank you. Bye.